Hello everyone, welcome back to my SwiftUI tutorial series. So in this video I will explain you about how to use a list inside SwiftUI. So if the list is similar to the table view in UI kit. So how to use a list in SwiftUI, that we will see today. And without wasting a time, let's start writing a code and move forward with it. So I have a sample new project created here, and in our content view we have just basic text hello world included as it is. So now here I will start writing the list view. Okay, so to add the list view we just need to write list, and inside this list bracket we need to pass the data. So that data will be actually work as a row. So if I will pass create one text hello world, then you can see it filled up as a first row. Let me copy and paste it, and it will be filled up as a second row. Let copy and paste, and it will be filled up as a third row. Okay, so that's how it will work. I mean, each row will work as sorry, each value, each view will work as a single row here. If you have worked with the iOS project before using a UI kit and you have used a table view, then table view has another property called section. So in the list also we have available a property called section. For that we just need to create a object of section and text section 1. And inside the content what we need to pass is we need to pass these values. See, our section is created. Now let's use another section and give it a name section 2. You see, there are two sections available now. And if you want to change the style of the list, then the list style property is also available for us. Group list style, and you will see now the UI is being changed. So if I remove this, then you can see the changes actually. Yeah. So that's how we can create a list with a static values and everything. But in our real projects we don't really use the static value to build the list and everything. Usually we have some data coming from the APIs in the JSON format, and then we convert that JSON into the model classes, into the objects, and we use those objects to display the list. So similarly, I have also one JSON file available here called item.json. This item.json is containing the menu items. So the first menu item, breakfast, will work as a section name for us, and then the breakfast has other multiple items available as options. Then mains has also multiple items available, then dessert also have multiple items available, then drinks also have multiple items available. And to decode this JSON into the model classes, into the objects, I also have a model classes uh, created here. So the first structure is menu section. Menu section will hold the value ID, name, and items. So it's a upper level class. So it will hold the ID, name, and item. So an item is really a array type of menu items. Okay, it's array of menu items, and we have menu items also available here with all the necessary values. ID, name, photo credit, price, restriction, description, everything is integrated here. So if you are writing the code with me, Then you can find the code link, the GitHub link in the description, in the YouTube video description. So if you want to use my code, then you can download these files from there. Also, I have created extension of the bundle to, and I have added this decode method. We will not go very deep into this method for now, but as a very basic explanation, uh, this method will find the file name, whatever file name we will pass here, that it will find that file. It will use that JSON and then convert it into the whatever type we are passing there. We will see into us in a second that how we can use this, how we are going to use this method. So let's go to the content view and start writing our dynamic code first. Let menu equal to bundle dot main dot decode, and we want to decode our JSON into menu section type, array of menu section. Our menu section, each menu section also containing array of menu items, self, and our file name is item.json. So this line will convert the JSON data into the array of menu section. So this menu variable, let's call it sections actually. The sections variable will contain the array of menu section objects. Let's remove this, and first of all let's see if we have the data already available or not. Sorry, but we cannot directly because this is array, sections is array, so we need to write a loop for each have a different type. Okay, we need a data, so we have a data available, sections, and then content. Our content is, from the section we will use each section, and let's write text section dot name, and let's run it. It's building. Build succeeded. Yeah, you can see. So that means that our decode worked successfully, and we have the sections name available here: breakfast, main, dessert, and drinks. But we don't want to use our section name as a raw value actually. So let's use section here. Sorry, section in capital, because yeah, let's use section here. Section with header will be text section dot name, and our content will be again for loop, and this for loop will be section dot items item in, and then let's write text with item dot name. So you see our list is being built with all the values available here. Let's play it actually. Yeah, it's generating the preview now. So you see how it is easy with the dynamic content and everything. You see the list, you can see the list here. All the section name is a all the menu section will work as a section name, and items as a menu items, rows as a menu items. So now we can use different values here. Suppose let's use this tag, and sorry, text item dot name, and text item dot description. So you see, let's give it a little bit of weight, uh, semi-bold, and let's make this alignment dot leading. So the alignment will be leading. Perfect. Let's add some spacing, 3. So we have a spacing available. So you see, it's very intuitive, very easy to integrate our list, our data into the list here. So I found it real. I mean, in the Swift UI, you can build your application very fast. I see that. I just realized that it's very fast. A lot of things are available readily. You just need to play with a few things, and your screen will be ready very easily. So that's how we can integrate a list using the dynamic content, using the JSON and everything. So that's all for now. I hope you guys are enjoying my Swift UI tutorial series. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment, and please guys share and subscribe this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.